Listen to the conversation. Eric, that's a nasty cough. You've had it for a while now. I remember you were coughing during finals. That was 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, it started when I had that cold. It just won't go away.
Are you sure it's just a cold? Cold symptoms usually stop after a few days. Maybe it's an allergy. And it's spring. This is the time of year for bad allergies.
I don't think so. I'm 21 and I've never had any.
They can start at any age, though, or it could be something more serious. Does your chest hurt?
Yeah, a little.
That's not good. You've got to see a doctor. You might need medication.